Hello and welcome. This is Fahim. Today I would like to teach data types in Python. So let me start data types. Before that, I want to tell you data types having a major role in a programming language. So without data types, we cannot do any steps in a programming language because data types having a major role in a programming language. So let me start to teach data types. So now I'm going to share with you PPT and I will explain step by step so you can understand easily, right? So let me share a screen with you so you can understand easily. So I prepared this PowerPoint. Let me maximize this. So basically data type to store various types of data in a variable, right? So like I want to give example, you are going to open a account in a bank, right? So your name will be a string, right? And your account number will be integer. And while you are going to deposit amount in a bank, so your amount will be in integer, right? And whatever amount you have deposited in your bank, right? So after some time, maybe 6 months or 1 year, this amount you will get interest in the form of float. So now we have seen here, we can store data in an integer like our account number and our name, our information. They are going to mention in the form of a string, and the amount we have deposited, that is going to calculate in the form of float, that is called a decimal point, right? So now today I made a plan to teach the concept of data types. So already I have made 3 videos: basic concept, installation, and what is the full stack development, right? So now you can watch one by one and you can understand. Now here, types of data type. So I have made here like numeric type. In that we have integer, float, and complex. So I will explain you in practical way how behave this integer, float, and complex, right? Then we have sequence type, list, tuples, and string. Next we have dictionary type that we will map. We will map means like our data and our key and values, how we are going to match with other data, right? Next, we have Boolean data type, that is the in form of true and false. This all I will explain in detail. Here just I am giving the summary, right? Then we have set. This is a store different types of student IDs and different data. Let's go for next. Now this all data type I have categorized into a different way. Like before starting that, I made there are 2 types of data. Number one, this is called mutable, and number two, this is called immutable, right? So mutable means in that we can change, we can modify, we can update. So I have categorized into one form. So this is called list, dictionary, and sets. List also contain different types of data. Like, for example, what is your name? What is your age? What is your qualification? So this may be later on, whenever required, we can update, we can change it, right? And we have dictionary, we have sets. Now immutable. Immutable in the sense we cannot change, right? Like here, these are the numbers, these are the strings, and these are tuples. Numbers, like we have here integer, then float decimal point, and as well as we can say complex that I will explain in detail, right? And strings in the form of character, and tuples that a type we can say that a group of array of characters, sorry, array of data, right? That we cannot update, we cannot change it. So let's go next. Now here in this videos only I would like to explain only numeric number types data. I will make separate data types separate videos for that, right? So now I will explain only the concept of numeric data type. So in this we have here three: int, float, and complex. So int means without decimal number. Whatever data we can use, this we can say that without decimal, right? Second, we have here float. So float in the sense we can use here decimal number, right? And complex, so this is called real and imaginary part. So this complex also we can use like scientific calculations, and also we can say advanced calculations, like we can use configuration of a electronic circuit and applied physics, so in many more, right? So now here you want to ask any questions, so we can write in comment section, so I will try to answer it. Now I will take you in practical and I will show you how this is working, right? So let me share this practical, and I will show you here how this is going to work. So now this is the Jupyter notebook. In that I am going to explain numeric data type, right? So here I'm going to take one cell, and here I use comment. I'll write here numeric data type. And numeric data type we have here int, and we have here float, and we have here complex. So int means that without decimal number, whatever calculations we have, for example, now I'm going to use here integer. So for this integer, like I'm going to write here, like a equal to 10 and b equal to, like we can say 100. So like other languages, C programming, C++, and Java, in that we have to means declare explicitly like int, but here in Python no need to declare, right? So now I want to tell you here, for example, like C equal to, now I'm going to perform addition, like, okay, so A plus B, and I will write here print C. Now after executing this, you got here 110. So now I will tell you here, with the help of type command, what type of data automatically accepted here in Python. So I'll read here print and type command, and I will write here A and execute this. So here displayed here class int. It means that here A automatically accepted A is a integer. And also I'm going to copy this statement, and I will show you here B and as well as C. So here in place of A, I'm going to modify here B, right? And again, I will write here C. So in this, you can understand this programming language automatically display and accepted here. See, like here int, A also have integer, and B also have integer, and C also have integer, right? So there is no need to explain. Now I will make one thing here, like I will make a D decimal number like 10.50, and E I will make here now complex. So A plus BJ, right? So A, for example, I'll take here 2, and plus BJ, for example, 5J. I'll use here comment. In that I will mention here complex like A plus BJ. Is this clear? Now I will, with the help of type command, also I will show you D and E. D will be display here float, and let me write here D, see D, and let me write here E. Okay. So now we can execute this and see here. Now see. So we have D here float, and E we have complex. Also we can write here in double quotes type of D. Okay. And here, so after executing, it will be more easy. Now see, type of D equal to class is float. Is this clear? So it means that now here A equal to 10, this is called as integer, and B, this is also called integer, and we have added here A plus B, so this is called integer, and C also integer. Now D, I have represented here float 10.50, right? And this is the complex 2 plus 5J. So with the help of type command, we got this is a complex. So in that you are facing any doubt or any problem, so write down in the comment section. I will try to answer it. Thank you.